Hello, this is Rachel with Mic Drop Miniatures, and today I'm going to show you how to make this miniature calendar and how to download it from my website. So first you're going to go to micdropminiatures.com and click on Get Freebies. There you'll find numerous downloads, but find the calendar, download it, and print. Next you're going to pick out your favorite desired design and cut it out. Once it's all cut out, you're going to clip the pieces together, making sure that the sides are flush and even and straight, at least if you're a perfectionist like me. And then you're going to take glue and generously put it on top. You're going to need a pretty thick strip of glue, making sure that it's only on the top and you don't get it on the sides or on the front. And then the hardest part, let it dry. Next, we're going to take our glued pieces and we are going to glue it on to the front of our desired design. Here I chose the little truck with the balloons. I'm going to place that on there and again, let it dry. Once dry, you simply hang your calendar wherever you would like. So cute. I hope that you like these DIY, and please check back to micdropminiatures.com because I'm adding tutorials and DIYs and downloads all the time. So thank you.